What's up, guys? Justin here with TheSketchUpEssentials.com. So I wanted to take a second and talk about an event that's happening later on this year in Denver, Colorado. So some of you might remember that I talked about the Brightman SketchUp Summit last year. It's one of my favorite events that I went to. It was a much smaller event than Basecamp, but it has a ton of awesome speakers and SketchUp experts that are going to put together workshops. They're going to have presentations, all sorts of things to help people be better at SketchUp. So there's a lot of familiar faces on this list, obviously. Most of you probably know Aaron. Nick Saunders going to be there. John Brock. We've got some new faces in there as well. So Micah did a fantastic presentation at Basecamp about the plan sets that he's creating. He's creating really great plans with SketchUp and layout. And so Henry teaches iPad drawing and that kind of thing. So just a ton of really interesting stuff. Matt Wheeler gave an amazing presentation last year on dynamic components and also profile builder. And so the agenda is already up, so you can see what's going to be taught at this event. Note that I'm actually going to be giving a presentation that doesn't have anything to do with extensions this time. I will talk about extensions as well, but I've got a new presentation that I think you're definitely going to want to see. Daniel Tal is going to be talking about Landscape, which is an amazing tool for landscape architecture. Just a ton of really cool stuff. So definitely check out that agenda and what's going to be going on there. So there's also a new, even larger venue this year. So it's got a main stage where we'll have presentations, but also a training room where there's going to be more in-depth training going on. Just a ton of really cool stuff going on at this particular event. So if you do want kind of in a smaller environment with a ton of SketchUp experts with a ton of things to teach you, should definitely check out the summit. So there's all sorts of stuff on Mike's website. I'll link to that in the notes down below. But if you are interested, it is now open for registration. So I'd love to meet you in person at the summit, and hopefully I'll see you there later this year. Thanks, guys.